Hello everybody. I wanted to get on and make this little video to tell you about the change in my channel. It's now Pastor's Wife Digiprints. I've changed my channel on YouTube and I've changed my shop on Etsy to accommodate my new way of living since I've become a pastor's wife. So right now I am just doing digital downloads, printables on my Etsy store. I may open a second Etsy store if things get where I have the time for that. But right now, I'm just doing digitals, and they are going to be for a lot of things. Scrapbooking is one of them. I still have those. And then I have journal printables, planner printables. I have church printables and Sunday school printables so far. Oh, and wall art that can be used at the church or at home. So I just wanted to tell you all about that, and I will show you also my Etsy store real quick. So here is the shop as it's shown on the app, and I think, yeah, here's the newer ones down here, right there, and there, and there, and then the newest right there. Oh, and I have some Valentine's stickers. I'll show you all those. Those are so fun. I made a bunch of them. They have Bible verses on them, so you can use them for whatever use you want, but I just put for Sunday school on here. So those could be used in planners. They could be used to give to your grandchildren or your children for Valentine's, homeschooling, whatever use you want. And all scriptures from the King James Bible. Today I worked really hard on making this one here, since a lot of people can't, or they feel that it wouldn't be accepted to knock on people's door. I made some door hangers for churches in different colors, and then just the plain white. And I hope you're having a great day. And if you know a pastor's wife that may like this, or a homeschooler mom, and let's see, just a pastor in general, may see some of this stuff useful, as well as the crafter and a person who likes planners. So stop by and give me a look and see what you think. I hope you like it. See y'all later. Bye-bye.